Hey guys, so I am doing my morning skincare routine now that the season is changing from summer to fall. And I want to make sure that any product that I use is going to be hydrating for my skin. That's why I make sure that I have a gentle cleanser and then I follow up with a toner that is going to be great for my hormonal acne. And I mainly focus as well too on texture and evening my skin tone in the morning. So I always try to incorporate serums and oils with ingredients like hyaluronic acid, niacinamide, and vitamin C, as well as even peptides to maintain my skin hydration and protection. If you don't already use one, consider adding an eye cream to your routine. The skin around the eyes is delicate and often needs extra attention during seasonal changes. Having a good quality, stable vitamin C serum or oil has helped increase my collagen production while brightening and evening my skin tone. So it has helped especially with my hyperpigmentation due to hormonal acne. Making sure that I do have a hydrating moisturizer is super important, and this Beauty Start 24-hour moisture boost cream is definitely one of my favorites. That is full of probiotics to revitalize dull, dehydrated skin by repairing the moisture barrier function. It's very important to still continue to use sunscreen year-round, even in the fall. UV rays can still harm your skin, and the sun can be deceptive when it's not as intense. Choosing a broad spectrum sunscreen with SPF 30 or higher is a must to finish off your morning skincare routine, and also not forgetting lip care by using a lip balm to prevent dry, chapped lips as the air becomes cooler. to the sponsor of this video, Berlook, which is a contemporary fashion brand that was founded as an answer to promoting a sustainable lifestyle while staying comfortable and effortlessly stylish. They blend fashion and sustainability, focusing on eco-friendly materials to minimize the environmental impact of wardrobes. First up in this try-on haul, we have the linen maxi dress, which is super light, feminine, and very chic. This will last easily in my wardrobe. Its simple design makes it easy to dress up or down, and it runs true to size. When it comes to their sports bras, I would say they are very soft and comfy. The supportive compression gives it a flawless silhouette. The moisture-wicking breathability of all their bras makes it easy to wear during workouts, lounging, doing yoga, just about any activity you may be doing throughout your day. I really like the flexible synthetic fiber that their leggings are made of. They are also waterproof and can take rubbing and scraping without wearing away. And just like their bras, it's very comfortable and is resistant to sweat. And they have inclusive sizes and designed with no outside seams. However, their supportive compression makes it super flattering on any body shape. The solid color linen shorts in purple makes a great wear right after the gym at home. It also would be great if you can also get the matching set to wear on vacation. If you're looking for a stunning and elegant dress that is perfect for any active occasion outdoors, this yoga dress is just perfect. It's comfortable, stretchy, and easy to wear. The A-line and slim fit with eye-catching design makes it an easy pick for the tennis court. Shop all of these designs on berlook.com and use my code APPSTYLES15 for 15% off your next purchase.